a state panel violated a Beaverton man's free speech rights by claiming he had unlawfully used the title engineer and by fining him when he repeatedly challenged Oregon's traffic signal timing before local media and policymakers, Oregon's Attorney General has ruled. Oregon's Board of Examiners for Engineering and Land Surveying unconstitutionally applied state law governing engineering practice to Mats Jarlstrom, when he was exercising his free speech about traffic lights and described himself as an engineer since he was doing so in a non-commercial setting and not soliciting professional business, the State Department of Justice has conceded. "We have admitted to violating Mr. Jarlstrom's rights," said Christina L. B.T. Walters, Senior Assistant Attorney General, in federal court Monday. The state's regulation of Jarlstrom under engineering practice law was not narrowly tailored to any compelling state interests, she wrote in court papers. In April, Jarlstrom joined with the National Institute for Justice in filing a federal civil rights lawsuit against members of the State Engineering Board. The suit contends state law and the board's actions that disallow anyone from using the word engineer if they're not an Oregon licensed professional engineer amount to an unconstitutional ban on mathematical debate. The state has pledged the board will not pursue the Beaverton man any further when he's not acting in a commercial or professional manner, and on Monday, urged a federal judge to dismiss the case. The state also sent a $500 check to Jarlstrom in August, reimbursing him for the state fine. Jarlstrom and his lawyers argued that's not good enough. They contend Jarlstrom isn't alone in getting snared by the state board's aggressive and overbroad interpretation of state law. They contend others have been investigated improperly and want the court to look broader at the state law and its administrative rules and declare them unconstitutional. In the alternative, the state law should be restricted to only regulating engineering communications that are made as part of paid employment or a contractual agreement. The existence of these laws and the way they've been applied time and time again has violated free speech rights, argued attorney Samuel Gedge, of the National Institute for Justice. Past history suggests the board can't be trusted on how the laws should be applied constitutionally. Jarlstrom has a Bachelor of Science degree in engineering and has repeatedly challenged the state's timing of yellow traffic lights as too short. The state board had fined him $500 for unlicensed practice of engineering. Jarlstrom identified himself as an engineer in emails he sent to city officials and the Washington County Sheriff challenging the traffic light signal timing. Jarlstrom's interest in the matter stemmed from a red light running ticket that his wife received in the mail in 2013. Since then, Jarlstrom has conducted his own studies, presented his findings to local media and 60 Minutes and even to the annual meeting last summer of the Institute of Transportation Engineers. Jarlstrom is a Swedish-born electronics engineer.